There's one beautiful section in Ramayana which comes, Dashrath Maharaj, what anxieties Dashrath Maharaj is carrying. Now Dashrath Maharaj was such a leader of the whole Ayodhya and he was ruling practically everywhere. Such powers, such wonderful team he had, such wonderful ministers he had, and everything was so great in the life of Dashrath. And 4 powerful sons, like his 4 arms were there, and 353 glorious wives, and out of them Kaushalya, Sumitra, Kaikai, great wives. Everything was just wonderful in Dashrath. And especially after Lord Ram killed the demons, Marichi, Subahu, punished them, Tadka, all those people, all those demons. Then Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya after the marriage with Mother Sita, and Dashrath Maharaj having a great time for almost 12 years till the coronation happened. And all those 12 years, if Dashrath Maharaj is seen having a great time, but nobody knew what was going on in the mind of Dashrath. So if you read that section, Dashrath Maharaj was having horrifying dreams at different times in the night. I mean, on different days. Nightmares. The whole kingdom could see Dashrath Maharaj is having a wonderful smiling face. He is doing so much benevolence to everyone. He is doing charity. Everybody is saying, Jai Dashrath Maharaj, Jai Dashrath Maharaj, Jai Dashrath Maharaj. Demigods were saying, Jai Dashrath Maharaj. But inside, his heart was highly distressed and tormented by some of the activities which he only did in the past. Dashrath Maharaj would have dreams that he is running around in the streets of Ayodhya mad, fearful, as if somebody is following him and he's trying to escape the hands of that monster who is following him. And he's going around and around and around and around in the lanes of Ayodhya. And the whole Ayodhya is deserted. He's wondering, where did everyone go? And he knows every nook and corner of Ayodhya and he's searching. I need some shelter. I need some shelter. And finally, at one point, he comes at one of his very close ministers and he starts knocking at the door because he sees the monster is coming and just about to pounce upon him, and he's knocking and knocking and knocking. Open the door, open the door. Help me, help me. But nobody's opening. He's looking for shelter, nobody's opening. Then he decides, I should run more. And he's very old man also. In the dream, he's realizing how old he has become. You know, like in the old age, person says, अभी हम थक गए हैं और जीवन से संघर्ष नहीं कर सकते. So the life makes you tired. So Dashrath did not realize how tired he has become in life by running from his own past. And in the dream, he is haunted by that past. And one night, he is running, and suddenly, and this is all in a dream, a nightmare, and he comes and he takes a turn, and suddenly a hand comes and grasps his neck. And he realized, finally the monster from whom I was running has come and took hold of my neck in the form of time factor. Raja kab tak bhagega. And all this running, he would have memories of the past, what all he did. How he has so many wives, how he did Putra Kameshti Yagya, how he got 4 sons, how all these wonderful things happened. But few things were haunting him. The day when somebody was collecting water from the river, he shot an arrow. The day a boy died and he was screaming. And the day his parents uttered a curse on Dashrath. And the day, out of overexcitement, he promised something to someone, promised to one of his wives, which was haunting him because he cannot fulfill that desire of Kaikai. It was haunting him. That past will any time come in front of him. So the whole world sees that we are smiling, we are having a great time, we are benevolence, we are serving, we are doing welfare for everyone. But we know what past is following us. or what kind of activities we might have done at some time, and fear is there that karma may suddenly come and stand in front of us. That fear is there in the heart. So you can cheat the whole world, but you can't cheat yourself.